the heat and hold the perfect temperature.
A little help here?
I'm on it.
Ow!
Yeah, no problem. Now just give me a thing here.
Okay, good. A little more. Oh, that's it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah! Come on, get up, Ralph. 15 seconds.
Decorating.
Wheels first.
How many?
4 doors.
Got it.
Now frosting. A buttload of frosting.
No problem.
Vulnerable to
Ratchet and Clank fire attacks! Slideshow!
Dr. DeFerry, sir! I mean, Doctor! Where are you going? Me? Nowhere. Certainly
Ratchet and Clank final attack!
We've been infiltrated. The Galactic Rangers are trying to shut down the deplanetizer, and I can't find Chairman Drek anywhere.
Want something done right, you have to do it yourself. Warning. Warning. Core stabilizer offline. Ratchet.
And we're clear.
Everybody! That's good! Yeah!
Ratchet.
Greetings, cadet.
Mr. Clark!
Galactic Rangers, I'm placing you under arrest.
Oh, you can't do that. I'll just arrest you right back.
On what charge?
False arrest, being annoying. Who cares?
You stabbed your own team in the back, Quark.
Just like you stabbed me in the back. Taking my fans, my sponsors, my lucrative endorsement deals, my parking space.
You were my hero.
I don't want to be there!
I am way better looking than nefarious.
In attack!
By force if necessary.
Oh, Widow Wombat with a widow gun. Tell me what I want to do.
On your left side here. Now you're right. Enough, Quark. Nefarious is tricking you. He wants you to destroy the entire system.
Oh, that's right. You know everything. Hey, why don't we all go?
Ratchet and Clank final attack!
Ratchet, look out. Oh my.
Buzzblades? I taught you better than that. This is my...
He's just too good.
Tornado launcher. Harris may be a homicidal lunatic, but he sure can build a gun.
Quark, you're not a villain. You're not like Nefarious. This isn't you and you know it. If Umbris is destroyed, everyone will die, including us. Is that how you want to be remembered?
Alright. People in the news.
I'm sorry. I don't know how things got this far. This is just pathetic.
Alright, it's over! You have to leave man!
He's here to place you under arrest.
Me?
Absolutely. Arrest this man for his unspeakable crimes against the galaxy.
My crimes? The real crime is how you treated me. The Rangers couldn't even give me a proper laboratory.
We have an operational
The Ratchet and Clank fire with an attack.
Term of endearment.
Day after day, I slaved away, creating all the weapons and devices.
Daarbij is nu eentje in mijn shape. The joking here.
You're the galaxy's biggest joke.
Maybe, but now the last laugh is on you.
Wait, what?
Covering the mountain.
No, it didn't. It sounded like you were combining the joke is on you with I'll have the last laugh.
Take your pick.
That's not how it works.
Get ready to engage, Mag Booster.
Ratchet and Clank are still inside.
Drake's gonna fire at any moment. We don't have any more time.
My point is, if you're going to use a one-liner, it should make sense and be relevant to the situation.
Look, I workshop thousands of these a year, and they can't all be gold. So put your hands in the air.
Over your dead body.
Mag Boosters engage! Full power!
It's working. Stay with it.
Steady now. Steady.
What's happening?
Decontact. Now online.
Quark, don't let him turn it on. Get off me, you has-been. You know, maybe Drake was right. I am a mad scientist.
Yes, sir, it changed. Stop the music!
Insolent, idiotic.
Break off! Break off!
Copy that. Ratchet, you have to get out of there now.
Weapon locker depleted.
Yeah, we're working on it. No, my plan. You've ruined my plan. You've had this one coming a long time, Clark. Of all my brilliant creations, it
Don't worry, kids. It's a secret. Our soul boy.
you. Hey, nefarious.
Hey! Neat. College.
Warning. Now entering Umbra's atmosphere. Any ideas?
Come on, guys. Get out of there. Come on.
Never make it out in time. Got to help.
Too late. There's nothing we can do.
French teleporters.
I saw one on the bridge.
Watch out!
We are something! Hey, don't we have these?
Get out while you can.
Teleporter charging.
We'll start with a quick! Welcome to the Citadel works!
Improvising.
Hey!
Are we dead?
We are alive.
All Rangers alive and accounted for.
How many planets did
Go,
the
we're watching the Clank, fire with attack.
You don't have to do big things to be a hero.
Will what did they have? Such you. When I'm moving or watching our kids, and what's going on?